sometimes you may experience data connection problem. For example, when you try to log in Facebook, you can see that it is showing that there is no connection to internet. So let me click OK and then try to switch on data. I've switched on data now. Let me try to log in again. Oh no, you can see that I've switched on data, but it still appears that there is no internet connection. So as we also can see that when we look above the when you look here, there is no sign of data connection. So now let us fix the problem. So the first thing to do now is to go to settings. So when you go to settings, you select here on connection. So when you select on connection, you are going to select on mobile networks. So you are going to select here on mobile networks. So after that, then you'll find here this access point name. So you will click there and see if there is any access point, and we can see that there's no access point, and access there is a word that says access point name settings are not available for this user. So now I have got two SIM card in my phone, and this is TNM, and I'm using Airtel in SIM2 for internet connection. So I'll click on SIM2 and see and still appear that there is no access point for this user. Now what I'm going to do now is to add access point. So I'm going to click on add. So we can see that there's name APN. So on name, because I'm using Airtel, I'm going to set a name Airtel because this is my service provider. So I'll click OK. So on APN, I'm going to set internet. So I'm now going to click on OK. So on Airtel there, I've chose to write Airtel because this is my service provider. So whichever SIM card you are using, make sure that you set the name of that SIM card. For example, if you are using TNM, you are going to set TNM. If you are using MTN, you are going to set the name of the SIM card. So now I'm going to save this one. So I've saved it now. So you can see now after saving, there's now a sign showing that there's data connection. Now you can see here there's data connection. So now I can go on internet without any annoying. So you can see now the Facebook now has been loading, which means there is internet connection. So this is how we can fix the problem. And I'm glad that you watched the video. Now please, if you watched the video, click subscribe, and then still more, there is many reasons here. Thank you.